The SBA4 is a machining center that combines cutting and prepping of PVCU window profile. It can prep hardware slots for handles, letterboxes, trickle vents, door locks and lock pockets, as well as spot mark for hinges and special operations. The machine is controlled by the world-renowned Beckhoff software, and all programming is done by our in-house engineers. There is an industrial high-performance 15-inch industrial PC with Windows 10 embedded operating system, and the screen will give you an insight to all operations or error codes, whilst monitoring the cut pieces and amounts. Initially, the data from your office software is loaded onto the machine via Ethernet, Wi-Fi or USB, and the program will assemble the cutting order to ensure maximum output with reduced waste is achieved. The operator can then see from the screen which profile to load, the amount, and which order to put them on the loading conveyor. DXF drawings of the profile ensure the operator loads the profile at the correct orientation required, and up to 10 standard profiles can be loaded at any time. When the operator presses the start button, the loading conveyor moves the first bar into place, and the gripper unit grips the end of the bar. The gripper unit is positioned by servo motors to ensure the profile is gripped at the correct height and width to avoid rolling and avoid slipping. The gripper moves up and down the machine, guided by 2 linear guide rails to give greater accuracy. And once gripped, this is the start of the process and the datum point from which all sizes and operations are taken. The profile is pushed forward into the routing area, which consists of 12 high-quality routing motors to perform the necessary operations on the window and door profile. There are horizontal and vertical clamps to clamp the profile in position to perform the necessary routing operations. For quicker speed of operation, door locks, night vents and letterboxes can be routed on both sides of the bar at the same time. All the routing operations required are performed in this unit, and once completed, the gripper arm pushes the profile through to a transfer station. The transfer station clamps the profile and grips using the second gripper, and the initial gripper unit then releases and retreats to grab the next bar. The second gripper transports the first length of profile to the soaring unit, and at the same time, the initial gripper grabs the next bar. The soaring unit is equipped with pop-up rollers to lift and place the profile for the next cut. This eliminates scratches on foils and avoids pulling off the protective tape. The soaring unit is equipped with 2 opposing 45-degree saw blades and 1 90-degree saw blade, and these are servo-driven to give speed and accuracy of cut and provide the combinations of V-notch, reverse butt and arrowhead cutting, as well as the standard 45 and 90-degree cuts needed. When cutting unstable profiles, such as Z transoms, a backstop positions itself to prevent the profile from rolling and ensuring precise clamping and cutting. The saw blades are positioned so that they only have to move back and forth, and therefore do not deviate from their precise 45 or 90-degree location. All waste cuts drop to the waiting exhaust conveyor and are transported to the waste bin for recycling. Finished profiles are taken out of the soaring unit efficiently by means of a servo drive to give the optimum speed to removal for the cut components. The cut pieces are transported on the outfeed table to the operator, and each individual piece is labeled. Labels give the correct information for the bin number, location of the frame, customer, etc. The Haffner SBA4 is a well-built machine with years of enhancements that keep it and Haffner at the top of their game in machining center technology. You can feel safe that the machine has been fully tested prior to installation to ensure a smooth handover from Haffner Murat to their customer. For more details, contact Haffner Murat on 01785 222 421. Email sales@haffnermurat.com.